Here we are with an incredible Christmas musical design from Calvary Church in Dover, Delaware shines bright like New York City skyline at night, introduced by Robin Lear. Imagine designing a massive skyscraper cityscape on a 20 by 40-foot stage. It must be daunting, but according to Robin, this was a project born out a keen eye for detail. She literally drew the idea straight onto graph paper, so precise that even the dimensions were exact replicas scaled up eightfold to grace their church hall. Robin's team started off welding angular square steel tubing into individual frames measuring 9 feet 10 inches each. They created an entire grid of buildings using 2 foam insulation sheets purchased singly from Lowe's. The raw material needed roughly 3 boxes, costing around $150 total. These panels would eventually become the base structure upon which all other elements rested. Now here's where creativity truly took center stage, or rather window stage, as Robin cleverly used gold-silver electrician's duct tape cut meticulously with precision by hand on a cutting mat. No less, she applied it in such fine detail, creating windows that sparkled like diamonds against the dark backdrop, painted black medium gray lighter shades to create depth, texture, contrast. But wait, there was more. For added authenticity, some sections were even treated with HVAC tape, its slightly shinier finish adding an extra layer of realism. Each building section, once complete, had wand glued onto their backsides, providing attachment points, allowing them to be securely fastened onto steel frames using screws. The entire setup hung from braided wire carriers attached to tracks along the stage floor, enabling effortless movement between scenes. This ingenious concept, though labor-intensive, proved remarkably effective and surprisingly budget-friendly, considering only major expenses included foam insulation, steel tubing, paint, duct tape, and a few wires. Now, if you're itching to recreate something similar, don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. All details about Robin Lear's New York City skyline design are available in our video description below, so feel free to dive right into creating your own masterpiece. Before we wrap up, remember that every single detail of this incredible Christmas musical design is waiting for you down in the comments section. Be sure to check out more amazing church designs just like this one by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing with friends, family, everyone who loves creative storytelling, behind the scenes insights on how these breathtaking stage sets come together. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.